Welcome back, guys, to ShaneFx. We're currently trading live. We're trading Eurcad at the moment, so I'm just gonna do a quick breakdown on why I entered the trade. So first, let's go on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we see that this was a significant area of resistance here. Came back to form support, resistance. Price finally break this area. Went to the upside, went through some consolidation, came back, form support. And then we had this huge daily candle to the downside to retest this low, and from there price came back, rejected heavily from this area, and now we're seeing a second rejection, right? So if we go on a 4 hours time frame, we see that we had a wick to the upside, our aggressive push rather to the upside, and now we have two 4 hours candles bearish at the moment. We haven't gotten the second close as yet. We still have 2 hours and 3 minutes, whatever. So if we go on the 1 hours time frame, we see we had rejections here. Price then retraced to form like a minor support on the 30 minutes 1 hours time frame. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 tops into this area. Then from there price went up in Asian session, going into London session last night. Price was here, came back this morning, and I entered the trade around 5:30 or somewhere around there. I entered the trade this morning, and now we are currently at our TP1, but I haven't closed the trade as yet. We still have 2 minutes remaining before the hour candle close. Hopefully price could break this area of support. As you can see, it's a significant area of support, right? So hopefully price break this area, and from there we can maybe look to take for price to come and take out our support here, or maybe wick into our support and hit our TP2. So I'm currently in the trade right now. I still have 2 positions open. I haven't closed as yet. As I say, price is at my TP1, and now it's rejecting this area. So let's just wait to see how the hourly candle close, right? From there we might hold a trade, or might exit one position and leave a runner. So we go on the 50 minutes time frame, we see price rejecting this area. So let's just wait and see what price is going to do. Right, so the last time I was on the chart, guys, price was at this area. We still haven't got much movement. Price was, I think it was right here, and price rejected this here on the 15 minutes time frame. So we got a rejection, but price still went beneath the area to get a close beneath support. If we go on the 1 hours time frame, we see that price did went down. We got the close beneath I think it's on the 30 minutes, right? So the 30 minutes kind of close beneath support, and from there price just started to consolidate in this area on the lower time frame. 5 minutes time frame, you see price rejection, went up, come down. So we have slow movements right now. It's currently 2 o'clock, so the market is really slow, but we still have 1 position currently on this trade. So this is the structure, guys. We're looking at price form support here, here. Price then went to the upside, came back down, form support, and now price finally broke through this area of support, and we're seeing rejections right here. So simple break, retest, sell. Simple break and retest strategy, guys. Nothing complicated. If we go back on the 30 minutes time frame, we see that let me just get rid of this. Keep it as I'm looking messy. So we had our rejection here, price came back to the same rejection here. We had 1 entry here. I think we had our next entry somewhere around here, and we closed that entry. So now we currently have 1 entry running, right? And we are not looking to close this entry because we are still a long way from our TP2, which is down at this support here, right? So we're gonna hold this trade until tomorrow, and from there I'll update you guys on how the trade play out. So let's go back on the charts. So 15 minutes time frame looking good. We do have some slow movement in this support area, but hopefully if price break this structure, we can get a retest during London session, and then hopefully New York session will push price down to this support going into tomorrow. Okay guys, so back with the video. Price is still at this support area. After a couple hours, we got the break. Price did break the support. We end up close beneath this support area. Immediately price went back up, give us a small retest. This was just to analyze for like a next setup, because I wanted to enter again. But how price was reacting when it reached this area, I didn't see much confirmation as to why I would enter, because it was just consolidating right here. So we could have easily gotten a spike up or something, so that's why I didn't take the trade. But the original feeble level that we had, let me find it. So we had a bigger feeble retracement tool. We could get rid of this one for now. Right, so this is how the trade looked previously. You guys see price, it came back to the 38.20. From there we placed our entry and then price came down. But what I want to show you guys is that price came back to this support. We got a breakthrough, price came pushed back up above the support and maintained the support for a couple hours now. We still haven't closed underneath, showing any form of selling pressure. Price is maintained in this area. If we go on a 5 minutes time frame, we see there's a lot of correction right here, a lot of liquidity grab. Price is just spiking up and down. As we leave it, as we go in deeper into London session now, so it's 6:05, so 2-3 hours from now it's New York session. So price is just ranging, because remember guys, we have news coming out today. So I'm currently still in the trade. I still have one position pending. So let me see how the price progress today. I won't be able to document all price action because I have some things to do with, but I'll try and get as much information on how the trade play out, just to document it, to show you guys a live session of how I trade Eurcad from start to finish with the break and retest strategy. Simple strategy. So let's see how price plays out, guys. Hopefully we could get a break of this support and price close beneath this area, give us some close, then a retest, and then we could potentially get a next entry right here. So I'm looking to enter this trade again, but only if this setup is clean. I don't want to take any setup that is too complicated. I just want to take something simple. So for now, we're waiting to see how price react at this level, if we're going to get the sell-off or what exactly price might do. So yeah, last time I was on the chart, price was currently at this here right here. We didn't break the support at all. News came out and we got rejections, and then from there price went to the upside. We closed our position somewhere around here, and remember guys, this was the trade with the better entry. So this trade we entered right here. The other position I had was somewhere around here, so we had more profits on this trade, right, than the smaller position. So we end up closing somewhere around here. I think it was right here, because I saw this rejection on the 15 minutes time frame, and the moment I see this candle close above these rejections, that's when I close the trade, right? It was a good trade nonetheless. We closed one position day before to secure profits always, and we had one runner. The trade didn't went as planned. We managed our risk, and now we're looking forward to taking a different setup. But tomorrow is the last trading day, so I don't think I'll be trading tomorrow. I'll just wait for next week to see how price reacted this level right here, because on the 4 hours time frame we still haven't broke this area resistance as yet. We see like price is forming some form so we have 1 2 3 like a M pattern, like, so price is forming like this M pattern. Don't know if that is what I would call it, But yeah, so on the daily time frame, we'll have this big daily candle back at this support area. We haven't broke as yet. We still have one more trading day, which is tomorrow, Friday. But I don't think tomorrow price will close above to close out the week. But let's see how the week close. And yeah, from there I'm looking forward to taking a different setup next week. So yeah guys, peace.